Welcome to my new video, and this week we'll be talking about an accident that I nearly had with my Mini 3. This video is about something that I learnt, and I hope you don't have to learn it to your cost. I'm flying in Boscastle actually in the summer of 2022. I found somewhere nice to fly. I've put the drone together. I thought I'd done my pre-flight checks, your propellers, check you got your SD card in there, check the gimbal's moving, all that kind of stuff. And I failed actually. So let's just go through it. I'd undone the arms. So I've undone the arms, I've taken the gimbal cover off, I've checked the gimbal's moving freely. I've checked I've got an SD card on it. I've put the battery in. So I've turned it on like that, look. And we're good to go. Right, so it's flown, it's come back. And when I've come back, I've looked at it and realized that the battery didn't click. So I've flown with the potential of the battery falling out of the drone. If it had been really windy, it might have fallen out, it might have just disconnected, it might have moved a millimetre or two and disconnected. And I was flying over the sea. This would have fallen into the sea, would never have seen it again. So if you look, don't do this. Can you see that? We're not quite clicked in. It hasn't clicked. I didn't realise. I've turned it on because it will turn on, despite the fact that the battery isn't fully home. So we're on there, look, and if you see, we're not quite there. So don't make the mistake that I nearly made. Make sure there's a definite click. It's worth checking before you fly, because I didn't check properly and it could have cost me the drone. If you know somebody with a Mini 3 Pro or Mini 3, maybe share it with them, because it is a definite issue that you could have. If you found it useful, I'd love a thumbs up. I'd love for you to click the subscribe button. Thanks for watching. See you again next time.